Welcome to WebStylePress. Comments are cool. Good developers use comments to explain code blocks and functions. Comments are also used to warn other developers to not touch specific lines of code. But then it is said, best code do not need comments. Best code is self-explanatory. But it is fine, use comments. Comments are eliminated in final output anyways. Okay, can we use comments in JSON file? Data is everywhere. JSON files are everywhere. Question is, can we use comments to a JSON file? Let's see. Here is our ReactJS project. Let's run it. So it is running. This project has got a package.json file. Let's add comments to it. But first, let's stop the project. This is our package.json file, and here let's use these comments. Comments are like that, right? These are our comments. Save. Linter is already complaining. Comments are not permitted in JSON. But let's see. Start the project again. And the project could not be started. So comments are not permitted in JSON. But we still have another way. How about commenting like this? Save. No complaining from linter now. Start the project, and this time project will run. So this is a way to use comments in a JSON file, or like this. Or for multiple line comments, we can adopt a pattern like this. So these are just key value pairs. And this is also just like key value pair. Save. And our project is still running. So these are working. This is how we can add comments in JSON file. But if you look closely, these are not comments. These are still just key value pair. This is key and this is value. Key, value. Key, value. The underscores and extra characters help us to differentiate the comment from the rest of the data in JSON file. But these are still key value pairs. JSON does not support comments. It was never intended to be used for configuration files where comments would be needed. Also, please keep in mind, comments we added to JSON file are included in the JSON object. These comments are treated as data and not real comments. So I hope this clears it. Okay, I hope this video helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.